All right, quick video. My air conditioner is backed up. I could hear it dripping. Every now and then you gotta clean out the water and unclog some things. But real quick here, this is like a pressure release valve. When the water fills up inside there, it pushes this button in, which causes it to turn the system off so it doesn't leak all over the place. But first thing I'm gonna do is undo these screws on this panel so I can show you the condenser. All right, I got the panel removed, sitting on the floor there. There it is with the panel removed. Got the little screws I took out there around the outer perimeter. If you look at the coils, there's a little tray right here. It's full of water. You see that? But what it does is it's supposed to drain down into this pipe right here, and then go outside and condense out because of all the condensation. You know, from the difference between the heating and the cooling, it creates condensation. It's supposed to drain out, but it's not. And I did this 2 months ago. Now I got to do it again. But next step will be to get the dry vac out and see if we can't get that water out of there. Stand by. All right, I got the wet vac out and plugged in. Real quick, you can see it's empty. There's no water in there. It's kind of nasty, but it is empty. Just got these clamps on here. And you just get in here. Wet back out and suck all that water out of it. Got this white sludge that's what causes it to clog up. I'm going to finish vacuuming this out and then I'll be right back. All right, I've vacuumed out all the water from the inside unit out of that tray. I'm outside now, so every system, you should, somewhere near your outdoor unit, should have a little drain pipe like I do have right here. I'm just gonna put the vacuum cleaner up against this. When I turn it on, try to get all that gunk out of there. So it's gonna get a little noisy here. All right, now that I've sucked all the water out from the outside, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this cap off of here. That leads to the outside eventually. Put me a little funnel right there. And get me some water. Pour me some water down in there. Kind of hard to do this on video. Make sure it's draining outside. All right, let's check outside. I'm back outside after pouring the water down in the funnel. It's a little wet down there. Looks like it drained out. It's easier with two people, but do what you can. I'm gonna go ahead and put this hose up there against it one more time. All right, one of the last steps here is pour some white distilled vinegar down in there.
Okay. You know what? You know what? It's first of all,
that should be good. All right, stand by. All right, everything's tightened up. The unit's running, as you can hear. Everything's back to normal. Let's go out here. I also change the filter levels there. We do that like once a month. Let's go out here and see how much water we got. Oh yeah, look at all that. All that came out of that pipe. It backs up and it hits that pressure switch and it'll shut your system down. That's it for this video.